traffic in transit now. Here's Andre Farrow.
Yeah, there you go. If you're traveling,
Gatsby loves my accent. Well, thank you, Gatsby.
all morning, it remains out there. You still want to get committed to it. Over by Country Club Road, where it's the usual spot for slowdowns, but they took out the left lane heading up towards Pelham Parkway. So if you're using the Frogs Neck, you want to go right to the service road, Lafayette Avenue, and take the service road and get around that, skate around that bad boy, if you will. Here's what you need to know about the bridges and tunnels. Inbound George is 20 minutes. The outbound delays on the Cross Bronx go all the way back to White Plains Road.
Yeah, whooshy box today. Did you see those punches yesterday? Whoa, see? If I start doing this, she's gonna... See, Granny, you said it and she's gonna do it now. Okay, whoa. You see?
Southbound delays on the Cross Island Parkway heading down to UBS Arena. Also approaching Northern Boulevard as well. Go with the clear view if you're using the Frogs Neck into Queens. Don't go to the Cross Island Parkway. It's going to sit there. Westbound Staten Island Expressway slow over by Victory Boulevard. And the very